Hi everyone, Julie from the Aussie Budget Queen. Today I have my Monday minis and some happy mail. I'll go through my minis first and I'll do my happy mail at the end. I have $70 as usual. I'm filming a couple of days early because we've got another busy weekend. So yeah, I won't get time to film over the weekend. So we've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, $70 in fives. I'm going to roll the dice and whichever number it lands on, I will put $5 on. At the end, I'll tell you who they're by and what it's going towards. Number one, I don't know whether we've got too many that are close to finishing. Oh, we're going in order. That's okay. 4, okay. I'm just trying to roll it a bit so it, oh goodness, we need a 5 now. 6 is busy. Oh, there's your 5. Okay, so we've got 4 more chances to win. Got another 4. This is my last Monday minis before the end of the month. So, because it's the final day of the month. Oh my goodness, number 6 and number 2. Okay, number 6 was very busy today. It took all of the money. Hopefully we might have got 1 finished, I think. I've got my fingers crossed that I can get some more money in that pouch. Okay, the first one is Friendships Matter by CBA Mum Saves. What am I going to use today? Whatever I pull out. Baby Poo Brown, apparently. Yep, Friendships Matter by CBA Mum Saves, and it's only got $5. That's it there. I will tag all these channels down below. So it's got $20, $40, $50. It's got $10 left. It's going to paid time off. Next. Okay, this only got $10 and it's from Lisa Grateful Me and it's going towards USA 2025. I really wish this one would hurry up a bit. It's just not going fast enough for my liking. The $10 a week that I'm getting is just not, it's just not it. Oh, I've left the money behind. I'm going, where's all the money for that one? I'd left it behind. So it's got 20, 35 in there now. It's got 3 more left on it. Okay, this one here got $10. It's from Overthinking and Budgeting. It's going towards birthdays. So I've got 2 more. There's 2 for that one. That's now got $15. Next, this one got 2. What is it? It's also going to birthdays. It's from CBA Mum Saves. It got 2. Gosh, I was hoping I'd finish one of these ones that only had 3 left. But no, it wants to wait till the end of next month. It's not very nice. 10, 20, 30, $40. So we've got 5 left to go on that one. This one only got 5. It is Be Kind to Your Mind from Overthinking and Budgeting, and it's going towards clothing. So in fact, clothing for our USA trip is what I have in mind because we're going to need some warm clothing. So 20, 30, 40, 55 going towards that one. It's got a few left. Oh, goodness me. Sorry about that. And last but not least, this one took all the money today. It's from Buttercup Budgets. Are you a beaver? Because damn. And it's going towards Easter. So it got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So it nearly got half the money. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 10 to go in there to finish that. $20, $30, $40 in there now. And that will be good to go towards my my IOU that I've got in my Easter fund. We'll put that aside and we'll grab another one. I'm going to use this one from my gorgeous friend Ange Budget and Debt. It is Easter themed, but if you know, you know. You know it's going to USA 2025. Because I just feel like we really need more money in there. So it's getting, oh, they're all twos. 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So it's got 5, 10, 15, 20 in there, and it's only a little one. So that's from Ange Budget and Debt. I will tag all these channels down below. And that is it from me today for my Monday minis. So let's just have a look. I was fortunate enough, oh, let's put that in the, hang on. I'm getting too excited about my happy mail. Let's pop away this here challenge. So I'm looking forward to getting into that and seeing how much is in there and reallocating that. But here I have some beautiful happy mail from the lovely Temmie at Aussie Planner Cash Dreams. So it says, Dear Julia, hope you enjoy using this collection to save money for our mumcation. And there are some extra goodies for you. Love, Temmie. Oh, Temmie, you're so sweet. So if you haven't heard on some other channels, there's a few of us next year going on a subby friends cruise. So there's a few of us doing a little 3-night cruise. It's a cruise to nowhere. And just to, from the budgeting community, just to meet up, meet each other, and basically have a good time. So the beautiful Temmie made these, the Subby Friends Cruise 2026. Scratch offs are $9.50, the minis total $4.75, and they've got the most gorgeous pictures on them. And there we are. We're having a good time with our suitcases. This is me with my cocktail. Yes, yes it is. Not quite that old, but close. So we've got some beautiful, there's all the scratch offs, and now onto these minis. Oh, they are just adorable. I love them. Love them, love them, love them so much. Thank you, Temmie, for those. And let's put them there where you can see them. She also sent some more scratch offs. And these are sort of a mystical woodland theme. And they are just stunning. And they're small numbers. So the scratches are only $1 to $10. So I'm going to put these into my minis as well. Over the next little while, they will start to appear in my minis. And these I think are adorable. Believe in Yourself collection. So they've all got beautiful little sayings on them. Let your light shine. You got this. You are enough. Create your own sunshine. Make today count. Progress over perfection. That is so true. You are enough. You can do it. Stay strong. You are amaze-tastic. Oh, thanks, Temmie. Dream big and believe in yourself. I love those so much. I'm going to have to work out getting another binder to put these beautiful little challenges in, I think, because I don't know what I'm going to do with them. So I will definitely be using them though. So thank you so much, Temmie. I'm going to tag her down below and you can go to her channel and find the link to her. I think she's got an Etsy store. So thank you guys. Thanks for joining me. I will see you next time. In the meantime, please be kind to one another, but most importantly, please be kind to yourself. Bye.